So now I have the measuring system matched to the vehicle. This rail is up, it's pushed up about 9 millimeters.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Toyota Avalon here. This one got smacked good down low in the reinforcement bar. You guys can see it crushed both of these reinforcement bar ends, frame rail end caps. So I have those new. It also buckled both quarter panels. So when everything moved, it actually moved so much that it caused both of these quarter panels to have stress buckles on them, and also right here. So I'm gonna put this one in clamps. I need to measure the frame rails. There's no visible damage to the frame rails underneath here, but they could be shifted a little bit, which caused those buckles. So I'm gonna put this one in clamps and make some measurements and make whatever necessary pulls. So they have measurements on where they want these at, and you come off the center of the rear wheel, and they have a measurement for each of these. Alright, now I have to match the measuring system to the vehicle. So I have to go to 5 points in the center section of the car, and that will tell the measuring system exactly where the car is sitting. Then I'll be able to come back here and check these back points. So now I have the measuring system matched to the vehicle, so I can come back here and it knows where these points are supposed to be, and I can make some measurements back here. So it turns out this rail is up, it's pushed up about 9 millimeters. That one's pushed up about 6 millimeters. So I'm gonna bolt this old reinforcement bar on and use it to make a couple pulls off of. So I got both of these frame rails, everything's all squared up now. So that should relieve the tension on these buckles. And now I could work out these. It's gonna take some glaze work once I get the metal straight, but the tension is now off of them since I pulled those rails down. I'm going to go ahead and get these rail end caps cut off, and then I will get the measuring system back out whenever I get these all up in place to make sure they're exactly where they're supposed to be.